Hello everyone, I am here with some fantastic news and I am so excited! I am just here to let you all know that finally we have launched our Agile Coaching Mentoring Program or Agile Coaches Mentoring Program. So, if you have been thinking of pivoting into Agile coaching, if you're currently a Scrum Master, you are a product owner, you are a release train engineer, you are a delivery manager, and you've been thinking of pivoting into Agile coaching, this program is for you. And for those who may not know already why they should be pivoting into the Agile coaching space, maybe you're hearing that this is possible for the first time, or maybe you've just been thinking like, what's even the value of doing this? I'm here to say that Agile coaching is one of the most rewarding careers you will ever find. It gives you peace. It gives you a sense of purpose. You've been able to impact lives. Do you know how it feels when team members, leadership reaches out to you to tell you how valuable you've been, how it's all because of you that the team has matured and the team is able to deliver outstanding results to the customers? It is way beyond anything money can ever buy, okay? And talking about money, it is very rewarding financially. Check on Glassdoor, check on Indeed, check on LinkedIn to see how much Agile coaches are making. So this career is a full package. It gives you a sense of purpose. It gives you a sense of satisfaction. And most importantly, you will be directly impacting lives. We have designed a fantastic program that will help build the leadership capabilities you need, the mindset that you need to be successful in this space. We also will be walking you through interview preparation, how to approach interviews, how to update and refine your resume, how to revamp and upgrade your LinkedIn profile. All of the things you need, the support you need, the confidence you need to be successful as an Agile coach. This program is packed with all of that. By the way, before I go any further, for those who don't know me, my name is Karen Fomafong, your favorite Agile evangelist. So, this program is designed to duplicate me. Make people or build people to even be better than what I'm already doing. So, do not hesitate. This is the time. This is your chance. And for our very first class, we are considering this as our MVP class. Okay, so we have just limited slots. Reach out to us today. That's our contact information. Give us a call, send us an email, and learn more about what the program offers. Enroll and be part of this wonderful story that we are creating. If you're not already in the Agile space and you're thinking you're not really passionate about working directly with team members, internal to teams, and you want to do more of coaching, contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you through this journey. And by the way, I just want to seize this opportunity to give a huge shout out to one of my previous mentees, Miss Gladys, who reached out and she said, Karen, you need to do this. You have to do this. We decided to put our heads together, the BeingAgile team, and that's how we are able to come up with this program. Like I said, our first class is going to be holding on the 1st of May 2023. Reach out today and we'll be more than happy to be part of your amazing success story. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in our next class. Bye-bye.